Hi, you guys. Now, you guys might be asking, Jack, why are you doing this? Why, like literally, why are you doing this? I don't really know. I have no idea. I just thought we could mess around for once. I mean, we can't always be serious all the time. And I am seriously sorry that I'm seriously quiet, and I'm going to try and up the volume. Is that better? Is this better? I hope it is. Okay, so we're gonna go. I'm the best pilot. Okay, so let's actually try this again. Okay. I do not know why I'm doing this, but I do know it's laggy as hell. What? I can't even take off. I forgot that this thing is motion censored. Go away. I don't wanna install Game of War. There we go, much simpler. But the lag is saying otherwise. Just float upwards. There we go. The audio to this game is great with headphones, though. Like, everything sounds so realistic. Now, that just sounds like a drawbridge being opened. A wooden one. A wooden drawbridge being opened. Just nope, we're gonna die. Well then. That went very nicely. I don't know why I'm really playing this, guys. I don't know. It's just today, I don't really know what I want to do. Okay. I don't really know what I wanted to do today, so I just decided let's just do this for no real good reason. Don't ask me, guys. There we go. Finally. I think I'm much better flying like this. Okay, guys, so we're actually going to try and fly this thing properly now. I'm going to see if I actually can. The lag is crazy, though. Okay. Just... There we go, finally, I've learned how to control the plane. Ma! Okay. We're diverting the course. Diverting the course, thanks. I'm pressing yaw. Excuse me. Let's try going this way then. Excuse me. Excuse me. I don't know what happened there. Seriously? Okay, so what's going on? This is free flight mode. You can just take off. Blah 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 blah. What? Okay, guys, I'm really sorry. I'm just terrible at this. I'm really, really bad at this. Okay. Okay. Whoa. Come on. What? Why am I even playing this, for God's sake? What am I doing? Come on, Jack. You gotta make a freaking video. That's what you're doing. You're making a video, Jack. Jack, you're making a video. That's what you're fucking doing, okay? I'll get back to the video. Excuse me. Are you still there? No, fuck off. Okay. Okay, then. I'm making a video then, I guess. Making a video. I'm making a video, I guess, then. Making a video. Sorry, guys. I don't know what the hell happened there. But, oops, sorry. But now we're just gonna play Will You Press the Button, because I don't really want to play that stuff and bore you guys to death. Okay. Will you press the button? Okay. You get a letter of admission to Hogwarts, but Voldemort is the headmaster. I'm happy with my own school, thanks. Okay. I've pressed the button and 41% did not. Okay. I don't understand why I have to like or dislike, so I'm just gonna keep liking. Anytime you hear your name, you earn $5,000. However, upon hearing your name, you can't speak for 6 hours. You also feel like you're hit by a truck for a minute. Dude. Well, that means I'd be getting about £2,500. I can't speak for 6 hours, and I feel like I'm hit by a truck. Well, no. I don't need the frickin' money. Whoever presses that button is a weirdo. Because I understand you might want the money, but you'd get hit by you'd feel like you're hit by a truck. And I need to talk. Okay? I need to talk. You can walk on water, but every drink you have tastes like pee. Well, to be honest, guys, don't laugh at this, but, well, actually you can. Pee doesn't necessarily taste bad. It just tastes really salty and is really bad for you if you do it too much. But I don't really want to walk on water, so I don't think I'll press the button there. Because you don't need to walk on water. You don't need to. Okay. Your greatest secret fantasy will become true, but you will be forever mute. Well, this is kind of my fantasy already, making YouTube videos. Because I want to just look at my channel one day and think, I can't believe I did that. Because right now, if you guys should know, I do 3 videos a day, and I don't intend to drop down to 2 videos a day. I'm gonna try and keep it 3 videos a day, each one at least 10 minutes. It used to be 9 minutes, and then I just changed it today. I did 1 video today, and then I just thought change it to 10 minutes because, okay, so that's that. Your greatest secret fantasy will come true. Oh yeah, but you'll be coming from mute. I need to talk. Okay, I can't live without talking, and I can't believe that most people press the button. For some people that can't talk, maybe their fantasy is talking. Okay. Become really good looking, but your vision is flipped upside down and can't correct it with glasses. Okay, guys. I don't need that. I really don't need that. All these things are stupid, and I haven't pressed the button once. They're just stupid, okay? Become really good looking, but your vision is flipped upside down and you can't correct it with glasses. I am not one of those people that are ashamed of myself. I don't need to become good looking. Some may say, because I am already, that's really bad English. All movies made from here on out are masterpieces. They have perfect cast, special effects, storyline, and mood. All remakes are much better than the originals, and not all sequels. Sorry, I just turned off my microphone for a second. But you can't watch any of them without first having the plot described to you by 10 different annoying drunks. This isn't one of the things that would personally affect my life. the plot. So they're not really spoiling it, they're just telling me what it's all about by drunks. By 10 different annoying drunks. Okay. So does that mean I just sit there for an hour listening to them say, oh, my wife's here, the wife is there, she's beautiful, she's wonderful, I wish I had her, blah, blah, blah. Stuff like that. And then I'd just be sitting there for an hour listening to a bunch of drunk people. Well, from there on out, to be honest, I'd probably press the button on this one. Because, no, I wouldn't. Because if all movies are fantastic, then what's the point of making movies? Movies are made to be good. But if all movies are good, then there's no challenge. You could make a 2-second movie with no background or anything, just a white background or something. You could make a 2-second movie and it would be good. Perfect plot mood. Well, I'm not sure. To be honest, now that I think about it, I think I might press the button on this one, because I think this is a good one. This is a good one. You know what? By 10 different drunks. Okay, by 10 different annoying drunks. If I had to sit down, doing nothing, just laying down, I could probably find a way to keep my eyes open, but then actually fall asleep. So I think I will press the button on this one. Yeah! People are on my side. That was a good one. You'll be a Oh my god. You'll be a member of the Beatles, but you'll be Ringo. Well, every single one of the Beatles died. Every single one of them. And as much, to be honest, I'm not a fan of the Beatles, but like literally everyone else is. So all the Beatles died, so I don't think I would want to press the button. That one was an easy one. Okay. You can turn invisible whenever you want for as long as you want, but everyone forgets you ever existed until you become visible again. Obviously, how couldn't you press the button? Dude. Yeah, that was simple. You cannot die, nothing can kill you, but you still feel pain of the infliction you heal. The time will depend on the damage. I don't really want to live forever. I don't really want to live forever. I don't really want to. Because if you can live forever, no one else can. When the world ends, you'll still be just there floating in space, right? I don't really want that. Because if you never die, there can never be a tale about you. There can never be really anything special about you. Except that one fact. That you cannot die. And to be honest, then it would just be boring. I mean, sure, you'd be able to go through all the other ages and stuff, but to me, it just wouldn't feel right. So I don't think I'll press the button. And everyone else did. Okay. You're able to create world peace, but everyone will hate you for it. How would people hate me for creating world peace? To be honest, if I was able to create world peace and everyone would hate me for it, I'd still do it. Because I'd actually be saving everyone else, no matter how much anyone else would hate me. It's not for my good. This question is good, because it's not for my own good. It's for other people's good as well. So, yep. I will press the button on this one. Okay, guys, well, I'm going to leave this episode here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Smash that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you dudes in the next video. Peace.